Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Key Largo, local and long-distance movers near me. We understand the stress and hassle of moving homes or offices within the same city. That's why we're here to provide you with a list of reliable, professional, and efficient moving services to ensure a smooth transition to your new home in Key Largo, Florida. Here's what you get from our local movers as we assist you every step of the way. Personalized moving plans, trained and professional movers, efficient packing and unpacking services, reliable transportation, storage solutions, and exceptional customer service. Long-distance moves often involve a long travel period, which increases the risk of loss and damage to belongings. Reputable long-distance movers like 3 Movers are aware of this, and we put structures in place to avoid this. We utilize durable packaging and secure loading materials to minimize potential damages. We also know how to transport your belongings to your required location without mishaps because we are experts in carrying out long-distance moves. Hiring us would also help you reduce the damage that may occur when you carry out a self-move. Every member of our moving staff has had a full background check, is regularly drug tested, and undergoes extensive training on novel moving techniques. At 3 Movers, we understand your expectations about your moves and strive to exceed them. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Key Largo moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.